Today I'm going to show you how to change a Moen Posi-Temp shower cartridge. You're going to have this little pin in place at the top of the valve. You might need to use a screwdriver or pliers or something to wiggle it out. If it gets bent, make sure to straighten it out and make sure it's in good condition. Alright, go ahead and grab a channel lock or pliers to remove the shower cartridge. If it's good and stuck, you can also purchase the Moen shower cartridge puller to remove that. Grab your plumber's grease and lube up all sides of the cartridge where there's rubber, including the O-ring. And then notice where there's an H and a C, so make sure the hot is on the left and install your cartridge into the valve. Or grab the little white plastic piece that comes with the cartridge and put it over the stem. Go ahead and grab a channel lock and push that cartridge in as far as you can using that plastic piece. That plastic piece is to help prevent breaking or damaging the cartridge. Now we have a Moen 1222 and a 1222B shower cartridge. They're both exactly the same, except the B stands for bulk. So if you went to supply house and purchased a pack of them, that's the only difference. We're going to go ahead and install the pin into the valve now to hold the cartridge in place. If you're having a hard time getting the pin on, just use a screwdriver to push on the sides and try to get it to guide into the holes in the bottom of the shower valve. All right, you can see on the bottom where the pin is coming through, and then you can see it on the top as well. So you're in good shape and that cartridge is not flying out. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the water back on to the condo and test the shower valve and make sure that everything's working well. If you liked the video and it helped you, please show us your support by giving this video a like, maybe subscribing to our channel as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.